So thank you for your interest beyond your Song of Excellence, your legacy complex. Taitra is a trade and investment promotion organization, and it is our focus to promote bilateral trade and economic relations with the other countries, and especially with the Philippines. And for this year, we have conducted several projects such as Go Green with Taiwan. We invited proposals from the Philippines to use Taiwan green products and green solutions to solve environmental issues and for sustainability. And the award is $20,000. Yeah.
Wow.
And we also organize a digital campaign. It's called One Good Habit, Love the Earth. You know, to form a good habit, it takes 21 days. So if you have a good habit, that's good for the environment. And we encourage that habit to be formed. And we also have this digital campaign all over the world. And we send trade missions to also the Philippines, covering smart cities and cold chains, as well as ICT products. And next year, I'll be happy to announce we are going to organize a solo show. It's called Taiwan Expo in Philippines. We would like to expand our relations with the Philippines. And it's also my wish next year your Song of Excellence will be even stronger, and we will have more people participating. And we have great judges and a great host. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Brian Lee. That question was...
That's an important point. You know, Taiwan Excellence awarded product is a product recognized by Taiwan, and it's of good quality and with innovation and sustainability. So now in Philippines, you can buy Taiwan Excellence awarded products. Firstly, through the official retailer PC Express. They have shops in major shopping malls, and offline and online. And additionally, you can buy those products through official websites of those brands companies. And in this event, already we have invited the 12 brands company. They set up their booth there, and you will be able to contact them directly and ask for the procurement options.
Thank you very much for your question, and thank you very much, Mr. Brian Lee.
Also Taiwanese food to the Philippine market. And we also actually invite Philippines food importer distributor to Taiwan. You know, so in the future you will have you can see not only Chinese food but also Taiwanese food. Okay.
Taiwanese food.
Okay, so thank you so much for your question. Siguro ang kakaiba nito from the past no, kasi this is only my second time to judge. Unlike si Yeng, this is your third na. So, hindi ko alam yung naabutan ni Yeng, but at least sa journey ko with your Song of Excellence, yung naabutan ko parang singer-songwriter doon, ganito, pero hindi sila magkasama. Kumbaga, may sariling competition si singer, meron din si songwriter, tapos within the show, doon lang sila pagsasamahin. Ito, I think it's much more challenging kasi para sa at least no, for me na talagang kailangan balance mo silang ma-judge eh. Kasi merong iba magaling kumanta, pero yung sa songwriting parang it can be improved. Or vice versa naman. So talagang mas nahirapan kami na judges, or at least ako, kasi parang kailangan mahanap ko yung balance ng magaling sila magsulat, pero yung katandem nila, magaling din kumanta. So medyo challenging. But it's a good journey for all of us.
Mas maganda ng sigahangin. Well, first time ko rin to judge parang a competition like this na yeah, sabi ni Ice, the singer, may songwriter. And like ako, galing din ako sa banda. Parang there should be that certain chemistry that you cannot fake. Because you know, it's not easy to parang come up with something excellent. Yeah, I mean, excellence is something it's kumbaga, may kasama siyang X factor, may kasamang charm, may kasamang talent, yung story that they wanna tell. No? So parang, it's very challenging. Pero I think yun yung fun part nitong ginagawa namin kasi we get to experience din yung process nila or maging part kami ng process nila as yung ganong klase na duo kasi hindi madali to like just sit down with another person and say, oh, okay, sige, let's do something excellent, diba? So, ano yun, parang may magic, kasi siya magic, parang you don't really know what's gonna happen next, so I think that makes it really fun, your excitement and your fun.
There's also a balance, no? There's also there's certain teams with regards to a singer, songwriter, but sometimes they're both songwriters and singers. So it's a teamwork, it's a balance of both. Like, for instance, someone would compose the lyrics and the other person would do the melody. But in hindsight, they're a team. So there's a balance between the two. It doesn't matter if like the person is a singer or and the other was a songwriter. So it could be a balance of the both. Because we've discovered also that some of the songwriters also were singers or are singers. So there's a balance in that, but so we also like perform at the same time during the eliminations. It's a good balance. No, it's teamwork talaga. That we found na parang also the time pressure given, like we were giving them a certain amount of like days for them to come up with a song, then perform it. No? Then especially during the finals. I think they were only given 2 days, like 1 week for the core value song, then the other for the Taiwan excellent song that they're supposed to compose. So that's a really huge challenge. Because for normal songwriters, yeah, it's not that easy composing a song right then and there, and you have to compete with it. You know, the other singer also. Performing it in that the time frame that's given. So it's a huge challenge for them.
Po nung binigay po sa amin yung mga pagpipilian ng mga contestants, it was really hard. I think pinakinggan ko po yung bawat kanta 3 times.
Wow.
Bawat kanta. Tapos binalikan ko ulit, nakapag-desisyon na ako, these are the ones na pakiramdam ko okay to enter the competition. Nakinig po ako ulit. Nasa car, tapos nakasettle down na ako sa bahay just to make sure. Kasi sobrang dami po talagang magagaling na songwriters ng Pilipinas. And I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Taiwan Excellence for giving platform to Filipino talents. Maraming salamat po. We have so much talent, so you can just imagine how hard it was for us. It's really hard.
Meron ba sa inyong medyo na-disappoint sa choice na, of course, you're a group, no? You had to cut down people from the list. May na-disappoint ba na hindi nakuha yung certain contestant or certain songwriter?
I think it's safe to say that for this year, parang halos pare-pareho tayo ng mga naging choices. Which is good kasi parang kami ng mga parang for us hindi dapat talagang muna makapasok, kailangan pa na improvement. Pero halos pareho din kami sa mga pinili namin na these guys are good. Alam mo yun? So nakakatuwa lang because like with Yang and Kuya Pao, it's our second time to be part of the judging panel. And of course, Ian is also a good friend. Talagang kahit kami judges so we also have this certain parang chemistry na rin going on. Parang may mga iba-iba rin ang tinitignan. Like si Yen, she focuses talaga sa songwriting. Alam mo, grabe siya. Ako feeling ko mas nag-focus naman ako sa singing side of things. So, it's a good balance. Si Kia, hindi ko alam kung anong focus niya na, no? Pero hayaan na natin. I'm sure meron naman. But and Kuya Pao, of course, the overall everything, no? So it's a good balance of judges also. We have our own expertise and that we can put on the table. Yeah.
Boss Kian, saan ka nag-concentrate?
Sabi nga niya, hindi mo nakafocus, hindi ko rin siya. Hindi, ano kasi, totoo yung sinasabi niya Ice eh, parang may yung chemistry kasi ito yung thing, yung music, it's para for me the hardest thing to judge then, because yung music ay parang yun yung power din ng music eh, di ba, na hindi walang best, di ba? Pero may maganda. I mean, may solid. Ako kasi, I don't believe na merong pangit na song. Walang pangit na song, walang pangit na ano. It's just that we have different preferences and taste. And ano, so yun pa lang medyo hindi na siya like easy task dahil kailangan mo rin manggaling sa like kung ano, iba rin yung mood mo for the day or yung sa certain time na yun. Pero kailangan mo mapili yung tingin mo at tingin nyo bilang judges na ito yung para sa atin ang malulupit dito sa, or naniniwala tayo enough na kaya nilang pumasok dito sa ganitong klaseng competition or avenue. Diba? So, ayun lang naman. But I mean, the whole process, it was fun. Diba? Alam ko, super dami ng pasa ng entries and salamat sa lahat ng tao behind this project because I mean we can't filter every like 11,000, but ano siya, teamwork din talaga siya, parang gano'n. So yeah, masaya siya. I mean, music yung pinag-uusapan natin, sabi ni Sir Brian, diba? Parang it's all about love and music, diba, na connect us together. So
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Kian. And thank you very much for your question. I believe we have room for one last question.
Actually, that's a good question. Well, yeah, judging them, we probably judge them through the criteria. No? Pero personally, I'm looking for someone, to add value to the art industry. Because knowing the Filipinos, we're all talented. And I'm happy to see we are thriving new composers in the Philippines. No, I think this is one of the great values na inaano ng contest na to. Na we have great composers na hindi nabibigyan palagi ng platform to have their songs be heard. Yun nga. I think it's varying of the both the performer and the composer, the storytelling behind it. And ang maganda kasi sa contest ito, it's not genre specific. Any genre can join, and I think it's just, the connection siguro, relaying the message of the song, and probably I could see is anong relevance sila sa pagpasok sa music industry. Would they add value to our music industry? Yung pati, it's like, because we are a culture that influenced by other K-pop, J-pop, rock, American rock. You've got British pop rock, halo-halo. So ngayon, natituwa ko na may flavor na lumalabas from the Philippines. Like we've got this SB19, Beanie, other band groups like Ben and Ben, and the other rock groups also coming out. So I'm happy na the music industry now in the Philippines is thriving. At sana tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-ano ng music industry in the Philippines.
Ako siguro ang hinahanap ko, kagaya rin na sinabi ni Kuya Paolo, is yung connection. No? Kasi marami nga magaling sumulat, marami magaling kumanta. Pero para sa akin, for that song to connect to me as an audience, that's very important because that's only when it becomes life-changing. So, yun ang hinahanap ko.
Ako po, parang medyo pareho po kami ng sagot ni Direk Ice, no? Kasi po yung sa technical part, nagawa na po yun sa production eh. Yung pagsinsing ng pagsulat ng letra ng kanta, yung melody na gusto mong takbuhan ng song, yung technique na gagawin mo, pinractice mo na yan eh. Pero yung ganito po sa kompetisyon, yung actual na po, na may audience, paano mapaparating ng mga finalists natin, yung energy na yun, yung whether it be joy or sadness, that they were inspired to write. Paano po mararamdaman ng audience? Paano namin mararamdaman bilang mga judges? Yun po yung parang magic na sinasabi po ni Ken, it's magical. That magic moment, that's what I'm really looking for. And I would also like to commend Taiwan Excellence din. Kinlaro ko lang po ito kay Direk Ice kanina. After po this competition, the songs, they still own their songs. So they can do whatever they want. Hindi po na imomonopol, hindi po siya angkinin ng Taiwan Excellence. They can do whatever they want. What Taiwan Excellence want to do is ma-inspire po yung mga artists na ito na you've got the taste na of what it feels like to perform sa ganitong klaseng stage, to be seen online by your audience, ganyan. Sana maituloy nila. And hindi po yun parang na-tied pa rin kayo sa amin, whatever you do, na parang nakaano kayo, parang nakakulong. And that kind of mentality and heart, grabe po yun. Sobrang yun po yung na-add na value nila sa mga talentong Pilipino. So gusto ko lang po ulit palakpakan sila for that. So thank you so much.
Pero kasi salita silang tatlo. Pero, hindi, siguro songwriting talaga. Yun lang talaga yung parang pinaka-pinagbabasihan namin na nahanapin. Yun nga, walang genre na nagsasarado ng boxes. Parang, kung ano yung na-hit kami sa amin, lalo na kami rin, mga songwriters kami, so parang, alam mo yun pag tumama sa iyo yung kanta di ba? Whether novelty yan, o rock yan, or ballad, or whatever, di ba? Basta, it's all about, parang hitting that right spot sa soul mo. So, songwriting talaga. And, ang gagaling magsulat ng mga mga narinig namin. Kaya, nakakatuwa and refreshing dahil lalo tayo, Pinoy, di ba? Hilig natin na kumanta So, madalas tayo nakakita ng mga singing contests. But it's refreshing to have a project like this. Diba? Na songwriting, champion yung composers. Diba? Yeah.
Thank you. Very meaningful, beautiful insights from our celebrity judges. Thank you very much to our friends from the media. And